Welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween, your ultimate destination for everything crypto. Today we are exploring something huge, the Bybit VIP program. So whether you are a seasonal trader or something aiming to boost your benefits, this program is packed with these exclusive perks. You don't want to miss it. So let's dive in. So as you see here, this is the page of our event Bybit VIP program. All the benefits you need to know. So the first up, VIP members get their own dedicated relationship manager. That means no more waiting in the long support queue. Your RM is there to assist you within minutes. Need quick trade insight? Your RM has your back, making your trading experience smooth and stress-free. A disclaimer here, this is a general announcement. Products and service referees to here may not be available in some region, but you can check in the documentation to check if your region is included in this event. So as I said, Bybit VIP program, and first of all, lower fees and interest rates. So as you see here, enjoy taker fees as low as 0.03% where you trade derivative, and you can learn more from here. So let's check here. And as you see, these derivative fees for VIP and Pro users, you can check this page for more details, of course, including the reduced taker and makers fees, 2 new Pro tiers, and the fast track to Pro statue. But let's go back now, and I will give you also this link in the description in our video to have the full documentation about the subject of today. So let's go back. And as a resume of derivative trading fees, 20% of spotting trade fees, and 10% of option trading fees. The industry insight reports. So stay ahead in the game with your weekly crypto markets reports, gain valuable insights into global market condition and capitalization, weekly key events, CME, feed watch, and more. The third one, priority access to customer support. So as I said, say goodbye to waiting in the queue. As a VIP, you get the priority access to dedicated customer support time and our team anytime. You will have also invitation to offline events, so experience exciting exclusive invitation to partner functions and network session, including Oracle Red Bull Racing event and session with our CEO and VIP ambassadors. The 5th is access to VIP only campaigns, so unlock the full potential of trading with carefully crafted VIP only campaigns where you can enjoy exclusive perks and rewards. Welcome and birthday gifts. So feel truly valued by VIP member with the special welcome and birthday gifts. Take your pick to multiple choices including bonuses and merchandise. Also, the 7th one is dedicated VIP ambassadors, so you can experience personalized one-to-one service from their dedicated VIP ambassadors, so you can stay informed and be on the first know about upcoming campaigns and exciting opportunities. You will have also a higher API and withdrawal limits, so you can enjoy 200,000 withdrawal limit per day, as you see in this sheet. So this is the withdrawal limit, depend on VIP, as you see here. Also, the VIP only benefits for Bybit products, so you lack a world of advantage across your range of products. VIP only dual assets plans with shorter lockup periods, VIP only token allocation lottery for new licenses in the launchpad, access priority service, increased rewards, point, cashback, and more for Bybit card, instant settlement for 10 million with OTC trading, chilled interest rate for crypto loans, unlock exclusive 4.5% APR with VIP only wealth management products, access higher purchase limits on token pre-sales as a VIP on buy starter, VIP enjoy higher chance of winning the token allocation lottery on Web3 IDO, and finally the VIPs enjoy higher deposits and withdrawal limits, discounts on fire deposit fees, priority on P2P appeals, and more. Also, the VIP only benefits for fiat. So as you see here, up to 50% of transaction fees from one click by fiat deposit, and it will become P2P verified advertiser without deposit requirement. And finally, VIP only benefits for the referral program. So share your exclusive Bybit referral code with friends to give them a 30-day VIP trial card, and you can learn more from here. So if you click here, you will check the Bybit VIP, your gateway to greatness. So with all the details that you can check it by your own in the link that I will give you in the description. So how to become a VIP? You must click here. You will go to the same page as I show you. And as you see here, this is the criteria, as I said, including trading fees, interest rates, and you can elevate your elite statue from here. So VIP upgrades jump to level 2 instantly. Just log in and apply for that. So that's it for our video of today. What are you waiting for? If you are ready to level up your crypto game, the Bybit VIP program is the way to go. Click the link in the description, sign up and start enjoying all these perks today. And as always, if you see that this video is very helpful, don't forget to put like to our video, subscribe to our channel and comment by any comment, including question or anything about this event or about this program. And you can also chat with them instantly and ask them about anything. So that's it for the video of today. See you in the next video.